April 5, 2026, a woman walks into a Mexican restaurant, orders her meal like everything is normal, slides over a bill that should never have left her hands. Staff catches it, confronts her, and she doesn't even blink, just denies it to their face.
Ma'am, come here for a second.
I didn't know it was fucking fake. I'm sorry. I didn't know it was fucking fake. And I
All right, come to my car for me.
I apologize to him my whole
Please don't know when I'm with the
but
female.
you know what? I had over $15,000, way over $15,000, and that shit was hacked. Like, it was literally, I had a stack of money, and it was taken away with a hack, and then I got to deal with that shit again.
10-4.
So, I mean, I apologize to you. I don't really want any charges pressed because I swear to God, I got that shit off a money order from my grandfather, and he is blessed, and he doesn't
Can I see the money?
Yeah, but I didn't know.
You can set it on my card if you need to.
Okay, but I'm
Did you end up paying them with any type of money?
I didn't. I told them that they could call my grandfather themselves or whatever because my phone is in my hotel room. Okay. And they didn't want to because you could have paid them over a credit card or whatever. Do you understand what I'm saying? I was like, what the fuck?
I just need one.
I mean,
Actually, can I see all of it?
I mean, you don't have to take it all from me.
No, I'm asking, can I see it?
Because you're only the third person that's telling me that it's fake or whatever, because I did verify in the racetrack and they did tell me the same thing. However, I am the wife of a superstar that's going through some really hard things right now. I mean, you can see some of it, but you don't have to see all of it.
No, I'm asking, can I see all of it?
Why?
I just want to see it. See if any of it's real.
See if any of it's real. If one of them is fake, they're probably all going to be fake, or they're probably not all going to be fake. You know what I'm saying? But
yeah, I just want to verify that.
Marker with me, so I wouldn't be able to tell you if you were telling me the truth. Like, if you had the marker, how do I know that he's telling me the truth or he's telling me the truth? Or if they're just doing things in the area that they don't want to have somebody spend $100. You know what I'm saying?
I mean, I got no reason to lie to you. Okay, I don't gain anything. You're not going to buy anything.
I can have that paid by making a phone call. I can have it paid by making a phone call. So, okay. If you really want me to give up the hundreds or whatever, I know them to be real. If I need to skip on to another area of Georgia, I do have a house. I'm married. I'm married to 2 different men. I can go home. I mean, I can call him and go home. My phone's at my hotel room. I've just been hanging out, like, just being a crazy young girl.
All right, I'm going to read you something real quick. Okay. You had a right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you in the court of law. You had a right to talk to a lawyer, have him or her being questioned. Hold on, let me finish real quick.
Are you arresting me?
Not at the moment. Okay. I just want to ask you some questions.
Okay.
You had a right to talk to a lawyer, have him or her present while you're being questioned.
I'm really sorry. I didn't mean for all this to happen. I mean, it was just
you gonna listen to me?
Mistake, and I was able to pay for the meal.
Are you gonna listen to me?
Want to take the other option.
Are you gonna listen to me?
I'm listening, but I'm also telling this officer for what? What are you arresting me for? What are you arresting me for, man? This is really justice. This is all about Lil Wayne because y'all want to treat him better. Because my family puts him in slavery. Mary Angela Capone, Christina.
Holding a 1090 Golf Valley Court.
Y'all put him in slavery. You do not want him to have a good life. You don't want him to have a good life at all. What county is this? You didn't even give me a chance to explain myself. I honestly offered money in a different way of my grandfather could pay. Please just call him. My phone is in my hotel room. I have a room at the Econo. I'm staying in room 206 with a very good friend of mine. I've known for over 17 years. You do not have to do this. The money is real. They're hundreds, but it is real $100 bills. In my opinion. However, I don't have the marker on me, so how would I know? But I know that my family puts Lil Wayne Carter into slavery. Yes, they do. And somebody needs to speak up for him, and that's me. And I think that I'm getting a little too...
Hello, is somebody able to come over here to identify the lady to drive over to the racetrack?
That's my opinion. Do you think that's wrong?
How long would it take you to get over here?
What did you just say?
All right, thank you.
Who are you calling? So there was a way to pay that meal, though. What are you charging me with?
Did you pay before you left?
He had the option to call my grandfather.
It's a yes or no question.
He had the option to call my grandfather, and they didn't ask me on the way in, how are you paying?
Okay.
So what are you doing?
Right now, we're going to have somebody from the restaurant come over here. Were you at the restaurant?
Yes, I was at the restaurant, sir.
Okay.
But I had another way for his merchandise to be paid for, his product, which was food. It could be paid for with a phone call to my grandfather. That's where the money came from. It was a money order. He sends Dollar General money orders to me, sometimes or Kroger.
Let's just do this. Why don't you go ahead and just start transporting? I'll go down and meet them. She's got enough permission. It's not like she's denying being there.
Right. You want me to take this or no?
What's that?
You want me to take the hundreds or?
Oh yeah, we'll take all that.
What am I being charged with?
Yeah. You're being charged with forgery and theft of services.
You searching for me real quick?
Oh, yeah, I'll write down.
Okay.
What
were you locked up? What were you locked up
I
with?
just had an obstruction charge. I was using emergency malady, so I gave a name that was not of myself. I used a different name and they introduced me right in court. I was a star seller ability, or however you call it, someone that's in court, and no problem with me whatsoever. They gave me my vest back. I'm a fed student in training. Maria Apollo is my cousin. She's dead now. That's what from the southern kingdom of our family. They're saying the money is safe. Please don't roughhouse your shoulder, man. I am a federal student in training. I do have multiple personality switches that are my vow. I do them every day in fame and as an artist on TV. And shameful, that's my thing. You don't have to hide it. That's from jail. Yes, sir. And I said, lo siento tanto. Me dice, yo no sé si conoces a mi familia, pero yo soy de New Jersey. Yo lo digo de que sí, pero era de mi abuelo. No, sir, es una cosa de
I take a
eso,
picture
¿qué?
when she was right on the street, so...
If you want, we'll get you the statement form. We can come back and pick it up.
Maneras,
You just want to
tienes
fill
que
that
llamar
out.
a mi abuelo.
That's your remote.
That's the remote to the hotel room, and that one probably got fucking dirty or whatever because it's leaning all up against it. Is this a real jail system or a real jail, or is this a private company being sent out by Christine or a feeder? Because that's what I really want to know. Or someone that's bound to put Louis Carter into further enslavement. Please don't flip over paperwork like you know what to do with our law.
Yeah.
What am I going to jail for? ¿Por qué me otro animal? Ellos llegaron a una cosa más, porque ya le sabe de que hagan Louis Carter.
Statement form? I don't know my book.
Yeah, I got some.
Yeah, he already asked him.
Okay.
She about to grab it.
Okay.
William Matthew Newton, Central South, Hazel.
Can you get one of his, your ID? And did you have a receipt on you?
Yeah, he said it.
Is this our copy that we can have?
No, you can keep it.
Yeah, I can. Once it transfers out of state, then basically Georgia will know it for you.
Because I have rights, and I was supposed to report on yesterday or today to probation. Carrollton knows that shit. They could probably tell me if y'all are the
294 staff shift.
or not. Because I do not appreciate just because I was unaware of the fact that the money was
Perfect,
real or not. I didn't know
No,
if the money was real or not. Just knowing because I was going to check every single $100 that I had on me. Is the money
There you go.
1090, we made contact with the homeowner 9.
Hey, Genesis, you just want to give them a copy. You can go back to the register and fill it out. I'll go back to it. Me or Michael will go back and pick it up.
Also, the 1090 is.
Can you just take it?
He's still not.
Yeah, what's happening on charge?
Okay.
I'll grade it.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, we'll come back. That way you guys can get back to business.
All right.
Yeah. Thank you.
I appreciate it. Yeah, 96. 96 for sure.
If they're different, we'll talk. I want to get a detective to come down with you and look at that, look at the cases. They compare a different case in one of our financial crimes.
Okay.
See if she's been passing them all around town. They may have other cases that we don't know about.
Okay, we'll do. I'll wait over there with him.
Yeah, I'll get.
All right. I blame you. No, I got it.
You taking the case?
Yeah.
You want me to transport her?
Nah, he want me to wait for the detectives and all that.
Oh, with her?
Yeah. We gotta go fingerprint her, then we gotta figure out her name. I'm gonna look through her bag. I ain't asked, but yeah. Nah, go finish your reports. Alright.
If this had you heated, subscribe. We cover the scams and frauds they don't put on the news. Comment below, should she have been arrested on the spot? Share this, because people like this count on nobody finding out.